Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartment. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So download the assignments, Excel chapter 5 assessment. So I have already downloaded the Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. So we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start Excel download and open the file name Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. So I have downloaded the Excel files and question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is before the subtotaling the data you need to sort the data and select the summary worksheets and sort the data by apartments complex in alphabetical order and further sort it by hash bed from the smallest to largest. So select the summary worksheets. So go to the summary worksheets and next is sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical orders and further sort by hash beds from the smallest to largest. So go to the data tabs and go to the sort and filter group. So click the sort and next is sort by apartment complex. So sort by apartment complex and click the add the second levels and next is add the second level is hash bed, the hash bed and is from the smallest to largest, is the smallest to largest and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you want to subtotal feature to display the average total deposit by number of a bedroom for each apartment complex and use the subtotal feature to insert the subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit at the second level subtotal, removing the first subtotal by the hash bed. Calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedroom. So use the subtotal features to subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate the average of total deposits. So go to the data types and go to the outline groups and click the subtotals. Add the subtotal feature inside the row by the apartment complex. So it at each changes apartment complex and function is to average, function is to average and click OK. Next is add the second subtotal, removing the first subtotal by hash bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedroom. So add the second subtotal and removing the first subtotal by hash bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedroom. So go to the data tabs and go to the outline groups and click the subtotals is a hash bed, and next is function is to average and click the total and remove the replace current subtotals, removing the first subtotals and calculate the average total deposit number of bedroom, average the total number of deposit and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the outline symbol to display only two level of subtotal row and create an outline automatic outline and collapse the outline above the total deposits. Use the outline sample to display the only two level subtotal row. So go to the data tabs and click the group and click the auto outlines, modify the existing outline, click OK, and next is only two level subtotal row, one level and two levels, and create the an automatic outline and collapse the outline above the total deposit and click the collapse buttons. It's total deposits. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is you want to create the pivot table to determine the total monthly rental revenue for occupied apartment and display the rental sheet and create the blank pivot table on new worksheet to the left of the rental sheet and change the name of the worksheets to rental revenue and name the pivot tables rental revenue. So display the rental sheets, go to the rental sheets and create the blank pivot table on the new worksheets to the left of the rental worksheets. Display the rental worksheets, and pivot table, blank pivot table, new worksheets. So go to the payload tabs. Go to the insert tabs and click the blank pivot tables on new worksheets, and left sheet is rental sheet and change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. So copy the name of worksheets and right click the rename the worksheet name is rental revenue, press enter, and next is name the pivot tables is rental revenue. So copy the pivot table name the pivot table is rental revenue. So go to the pivot table analyze tabs and go to the pivot tables, and pivot table name is rental revenue and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is display the apartment complex and hash of bed field in the row and rental price field as the value. So display the apartment complex and hash bed field row and rental price field as a value area. So display the apartment complex So select the apartment complex and hash bed field row area and hash bed field row area. Apartment complex and hash bed, and the next is rental price is the value area. So rental price is the value area. Move and drag the rental price the value area and drag the rental value area. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is format the sum of rental price accounting number format with the 0 decimal places and enter the custom name is total rental collected. Sum of the format the sum of rental prices accounting number format and format with the 0 decimal places. Enter the custom name is total rental collected. So sum of rental prices accounting number format. So click the value field settings and go to the number formats at the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Click OK and again OK. Next is enter the custom name is total rent collected. So the custom number formats value field setting and the custom name is total rent collected and click OK. So change the custom name is total rent collected. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is select the occupy fields for the filter and set the filter to yes to display the data for occupy apartments. So select the occupy fields to the filters and set the filter to yes to display the data for occupy apartment. So select the occupy fields. So select the occupy field to occupy field for the filters. So occupy field to the filter area, and next is to yes the display data occupy for the apartment. So occupy is only yes, display yes and click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is you want to calculate the total monthly rental revenue if the rate increased by 5% for the occupied apartments. Insert the calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05 and change the name to new rental revenue. Apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. So insert the calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05 and change the name to new rental revenue and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. So insert the calculated field go to the pivot table analyze tabs and multiply the rental price. So click the pivot table analyze and click the field and item and click the calculated fields. Multiply the rental price. So select the rental price and multiply by 1.05. So multiply by 1.05 and change the name to the new rental revenue. Apply the accounting number format 0 decimal places. So change the name is new rental revenue. Field name is new rental revenue and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. So click OK. Sum of new rental revenue and apply the accounting number format 0 decimal places. So right clicks and click the value field setting dialog box and click the number formats at the accounting number format 0 decimal places. Click OK and again OK. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is select the range B3 to C3 and apply these format wrap text align right horizontally alignments 30 row heights and 15 column width. So copy the range B3 to C3, copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the range B3 to C3 and apply these format wrap text and align right. Apply the wrap text. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the wrap text and align right horizontally alignments. So align right, click the align right and next is 30 row heights and 15 column width. Row height is 30. Right clicks and click the row height is 13. Click OK and 15 column width. Right clicks and column width is 15. Click OK and click OK. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is total question is 20 and we move to the question number 11. Apply the light orange pivot styles medium 10 the pivot table and display the banded row. Apply the light orange pivot style medium 10. So go to the pivot table design. So go to the design tabs and pivot styles medium 10. Pivot style medium 10. Pivot style light orange pivot style medium 10. Light orange pivot style medium 10. Click OK. And next is display the banded row. And display the banded row, we go to the design tabs and go to the pivot style options and click the bundle row. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is, insert a slicer for hash bed so that you can filter the dataset by number of bedroom and change the slicer caption to hash of bedroom. So insert the slicer hash bed so that you can filter the datasets by number of bedroom. So insert the slicers. So go to the insert tabs and go to the filter groups and click the slicers. So insert the slicer for hash beds and click the hash bed. You can filter the data set by number of bedroom. So click OK, and you can filter the data sets by number of bedroom and change the slicer caption to hash of bedroom. So right clicks right click and insert the captions. Slicer caption name is hash of bedroom. Hash of bedroom. So question number 12 is complete. We move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is, change the slicer height to 1.4 inch and width is 1.75 inches. Apply the light orange slicer style light to cut the slicer and paste it in cell E2. So change the slicer height is 1.4. So change the slicer is height is 1.4. So go to the slicer tabs and height is 1.4. Press enter. And next is width is 1.75. With this 1.75 and press enter. And next is apply the light orange slicer style light to light orange slicer style light to light orange slicer style light to. Click OK. So apply the light orange slicer style light to and cut the slicer and paste the slicer in cell E2. So right clicks and click the cut the slicer and select the E2 is paste the slicer in cell E2. So question number 13 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.